In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send calendar invites for webinars in GoHighLevel. If you're looking to streamline your webinar registration process and ensure that everyone gets their invites promptly, then you're in the right place. This method will leverage GoHighLevel's features, allowing you to keep everything organized and efficient. So, let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to create a dedicated calendar specifically for your webinar. To do this, navigate to the Settings section and select Calendars. Here, you'll click on Create Calendar. You have the option to choose between a simple calendar or a class booking calendar, but I recommend the class booking calendar because it's particularly well suited for webinars. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and set the webinar's date, time, and duration to accommodate your event schedule. Next, we need to connect either Zoom or Google Meet to facilitate the online meeting aspect of your webinar. So head over to the Integrations tab under Settings, and there you can seamlessly connect your Zoom or Google Meet accounts. GoHighLevel has the capability to automatically generate meeting links, simplifying the whole process for both you and your attendees. Now it's time to create your webinar registration form. Access the Sites section, then choose either Forms or Funnels. Add essential fields such as name, email, and phone. Make sure to connect this form to your workflow, as it's crucial for automation later on. The following step involves setting up a workflow automation. You'll go to the Automation section and select Workflows. From here, create a new workflow and decide on a trigger, such as when a form is submitted or an appointment is booked. The choice between these triggers will depend on how you plan to manage your attendee registrations. Moving on, it's vital to send out a confirmation email that includes a calendar invite. Add an action within your workflow to Send Email. Don't forget to include the webinar's date and time, the Zoom or Meet link, and a handy Add to Calendar link. A simple example of the email content might be: Subject: Your webinar registration is confirmed. Hi, contact's first name. You are successfully registered for our webinar. Date: Appointment start time. Join link: Appointment meeting location. Please add this event to your calendar so you don't miss it. We look forward to seeing you. To make sure that this calendar invite can be added to various calendar applications, include links for Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and an ICS file link. These links can be generated using calendar event URLs or tools like Add Event, Calendar Link, or even Zapier. Finally, don't forget to add a reminder workflow. This additional step helps ensure that your attendees don't forget about your webinar, turning your automation into a comprehensive and seamless experience. And there you have it. Following these steps will allow you to efficiently manage webinar registrations and automatically send out calendar invites, all within GoHighLevel.